So for step 3, you're going to need to grab all of these different colors of tissue paper. And your job is going to be to fill in all of these sticky areas with colors. Okay? So this is kind of a fun step. You get to design what this window is going to look like completely. So think about what colors look good together, what colors look good next to each other. Do you want to have colors that are like blue and purple that are next to each other on the color wheel? Do you want to have those next to each other on the window? Or do you want to do kind of opposites like blue and orange, which are really far apart on the color wheel? And since they're really far apart, they look really bright and contrast each other. So those look kind of neat next to each other on the window. Totally up to you. Maybe you want to do a rainbow. Maybe you start with reds and then work up to oranges and yellows and greens. Totally up to you. Okay, so for this, also be careful because like I said, anything that's stuck down kind of wants to stay there. So for this step, you can either tear little pieces like that and stick them in. Or if you'd like, you could take scissors and cut you some strips. And then turn those strips into squares or rectangles. If you want to cut triangle shapes out of your tissue paper, you could do that, or you could cut circles. Totally up to you. But all you'll do is get you some little pieces of whatever color you'd like and stick them down onto the sticky parts. Okay, your tissue papers are gonna overlap. See how I have 2 pieces of yellow there and they're kind of a little bit on top of each other? That's great. And they're also on top of the black, okay? So I'm just filling it in and everything's gonna overlap a little bit. All right, so have fun designing your colors. Take your time, either ripping or tearing little pieces of tissue paper and get all of that sticky filled in with colored glass.